Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to change your age on TikTok account. First, you'll have to open your TikTok application on your phone. Once you open it, you should navigate to your profile. And now click on these three lines on the top right side. Then choose Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down till you find here Report a Problem. Tap on it. Then tap on Account and Profile and choose Editing Profile right here. Then you will have to scroll down till you find Other. Click on it. Then click on Need More Help. And now you will have to choose Other. Then here it will direct you to a message with TikTok AI bot. Just choose account, then choose this option right here. I want to update my birth date. It will show you here a message like this. Just do what it says. And after that, it will redirect you to this section. Just select the topic, select change account information, then choose here the category other. And now here you will have to provide your email and username and type here in additional details, something like I entered the wrong birth date and I want to change it to and type your birth date. And you can also upload any document that confirm that this is your birth date, but this is not necessary, it's optional. And you will have to check these two boxes, then click on submit. Then you will find here this message, they will contact you and they will take about 2 to 3 days till they confirm your request and they will change your birth date as mentioned. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.